Welcome to day 28 of our 30-day creative and transformational guide. My name is Stephanie. I am your spiritual advisor, your projector bestie. And today we are going on a digital detox. Within this detox, I would love for you to find time to delete an app. Maybe an app that's not really serving you for your purpose. If you have an iPhone, you do have a productivity counter, and it tells you what apps are open for how long. And if you're not a content creator, you shouldn't be spending too much time on social media. Now, you may have every single platform on your phone. Delete one app and replace it with a skill or knowledge building activity. So, if you're wanting to be a writer, take a page out of Quan Mill's book. Literally. Sit and find more knowledge so that you can have a bestseller and become an internationally known author. I'm not asking you to delete every app, right? I'm asking you to be real with yourself. For me, I usually go through and delete a lot of different apps because I download a lot of apps. And I download them all because there's a part of me that I like to test things. I like to see which one is better for me. I get a lot of recommendations on what app should be doing what else, but I'm not married to anything on my phone. And I think that says a lot about me personally, yet I'm okay with that. I'm okay with not being on my phone or fasting from my phone, removing apps for an extended period of time, especially when I feel like there's an issue with me in that app. Let's see. I deleted Instagram this year. Facebook, I just logged back into it. YouTube, I enjoy YouTube because I can utilize it for myself as far as building my own database, and I'm working to be better at it. This is part of my attempt of me doing this 30-day challenge for myself, is so that I can understand what it is to really be focused and put the energy in, and how much energy can I really give every single day and not really compromise quality. I don't know if daily is something that I would strive for, but I think it's a place for me to put a space in my day every day to be intentional and record, but maybe only put a video out once a week so that I don't burn myself out, so I don't push myself too far. And so also so that I can really put the information down when I have it in my heart versus writing it down and then planning to talk about it. It's not really the same effect, I feel. I've deleted a lot of different games from my phone. One, I'm never really playing games on my phone as much. It's really for my children, but even with that, I don't want them so comfortable being on my phone because it's my phone, right? They should have their own toys, they should have their own things, and they should be wanting to be on their own things, not mommy's. It just creates less problems. And this month, I switched out my apps with knowledge building and reading a book. I'm reading a book about financial literacy. I got it off the TikTok shop. I do need to create a series on that or create more videos behind it. But I really wanted to read it. So far, I can tell you that the book itself, it is exactly what financial literacy is. I've already implemented a lot of different steps before reading this book. So I think this is a guide. It's a really good guide for someone who is at the beginning of financial literacy. So if you're looking to be better with knowing where your money is and what you're supposed to be doing with it, this is a good book for you. And that's pretty much it. Just go on this digital detox and really pay attention. You don't have to be strict on yourself. And I want you to understand this book is not about being strict on yourself, but this is about putting eyes into different areas to be the master of yourself. Self-mastery is something that I don't think is really taught. We're taught to master different fields of work, but we're never given the opportunity to master ourselves unless we are, pushed into religion somehow. Like monks, they're really into becoming who they should be with patience and time. But other than that, that's all I got. We are almost done with this 30-day transformational guide, and hopefully something has transformed in your life. So many things has transformed in mine. And I'm not talking about them because it's not really my personality, but I would love to at some point become more comfortable in speaking about my wins. But outside of that, thank you for listening. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and continue being the person who you want to become. Be blessed.